Welcome to Madagascar Simple Life. In this video, we're gonna look at how people in Madagascar, in the village of Sambava, plant the rice, harvest the rice, and just live their everyday life. Enjoy!
Ba mahafinaritra fa mahita zandrin-tegna mitety korka magnano mbola bebe bantagnana avao koa anao zandrika.
The weeds are used to conserve the soil, but every season to plant rice, they have to clean everything manually. Here is the irrigation of the paddy field, which bring the water to suppress the growth of weeds, but give advantage of the rice growth instead. Kids, like everywhere, always have a way to have fun. They're playing on the levee of the paddy field. Here the paddy field is ready for pasturage, and they still use the traditional method with cows.
Le magnetsy boka izy misy a Japon aty fa olo magnitsika amina omby zegny tsisy aty.
Weed control is still done manually after rices are planted. Typically, 4 to 6 months after planting, it's harvest time.
Yeah.
The method of threshing rice by hand is still used.
Mas tu andei lá. Zenho.
Paddies are dried under the sunlight on a woven mat that they make themselves as well. When the rice are dried, they grind them manually as well. Shifting rice is done in a shallow woven basket called sahafa that you can find in every household in Madagascar. And everybody enjoyed the harvest of rice. Even the husks are not for waste. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.